Alright, so here's a quick video on how to replace your spark plugs on your Audi TT Mark1. I've already gone ahead and removed the engine plastic cover there. So right off the bat, I can already see that we're going to have to either set these vacuum lines aside or remove them some way somehow. There are two 10 mil bolts right in the back that we need to get to. That's the first thing we're going to do before we do anything else. We do have access to two coils. We need to get behind all this crap so we can access the other two coils. Okay, so now we're going to remove these brackets, and these brackets actually hold the coils in place, and not only the coils, but it also holds all the spaghetti in place too. So let's remove the bolts. They're Allens. I believe I used a 316 Allen, and so remove those and then we'll move on to the next step. We're almost there. Let's remove the remaining bolts for the coils. We'll undo the plugs next. Just be very gentle with them because over time plastic does tend to get very brittle. Okay, so what you now want to do is grab yourself a 5/8 deep socket and get those spark plugs out of there. Once you're done with that, it's all about out with the old and in with the new. Do not over tighten. Just make sure they're nice and snug. And that's about it. Now the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the plugs just because I did see some dirt and debris inside them. Once I do that, I'm all done. I'll end the video here as installation is opposite of removal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.